Number 16 na tayo. Ano to? Oxygen delivery systems. So guys, number 16, ang tanong is safety precaution for clients receiving oxygen. Not do. Baka ikaw excited ka to, sumagot, pumindot ka kaagad. Ang tanong, not do. Diba? Letter A, no smoking sign on the door. Is that correct? Correct ba yung letter A? Letter A is correct. Alisin. Why? Why should you place, guys, a no smoking sign kapag yung patient mo nagre-receive ng oxygen? Oxygen by nature, guys, supports what? Combustion. Correct. So in short, flammable ang oxygen. Tama? Kaya kapag ikaw nag-smoke ka, ayan, baka sumabog yung room ng patient mo. So letter A, it's correct. No smoking sign, alisin. Next, guys, letter dog. All electrical devices are in good working condition. Correct din to. Tandaan nyo guys, a single spark can ignite an oxygen tank. Kaya guys, dapat lahat ng devices ay well insulated. No, ayan. So C or D, alin dyan yung mali? Not do, yung tanong. Guys, replace woolen blankets with cotton blankets. Actually, this is also correct. I want to know why. Bakit bawal ang mga wool or nylon? Pansin mo guys, di ba? Yun na lang plastic cover because that's an example of nylon. Try mo siyang i-rub tapos idikit mo sa hair mo. Anong nangyayari? Di ba meron siyang magnetic effect? Why? Tama? Pansin mo, experiment mo yung mamaya. Kung anong plastic cover, i-rub mo siya, then idikit mo sa hair mo, it will cause magnetism. Why? Kasi meron siyang static electricity. So yung mga nylon, wool na yan, mga teddy bear, stuffed toys, bawal yan sa pasyenteng nag-oxygen. It may induce combustion by static electricity. So the best answer there guys, no, not do is letter C. Why? Itong mga acetone na to, ganyan, are all flammable substances. Dapat yan ay malayo from the patient's room. So 16, letter C. Number 17, pwede na ba? Nurse noticed that patient on nasal cannula daw, may mga incrustations sa nose. Parang may mga namumuong something, mga nato yung mucus. Ganyan. So, alin daw ang gagawin mo first? Mag-alis tayo. Dog, call the physician. Visit ka talaga. Ang trabaho mo, nurse, hindi reporter. Ha? Huwag kang report ng report. Nakakairita. Wala ka pang ginawa. Nag-report ka na. So, mali yan agad sa board exam. Kainis. Next, guys, ano pa? Alam mo na, uy, may mga may mga something sa nose niya. Lagyan pa natin ng Leukoplast. Sige, para hindi siya makahinga, mabara ng totally yung airway niya. Gaga, mali. Alisin. Letter A or B, what's the best answer? Sterile operating sponge to scrape off the incrustation. Guys, can we scrape it off agad? It will cause, guys, sugat, diba? So the best there is to put letter A, water-soluble lubricant muna. Baka kaya na niyang i-dissolve kung ano man yung mga nanigas na collagen, diba? Nanigas na kulangot dyan or whatever. So number 17, letter A. Number 18, oropharyngeal airway, guys, inserted to a patient. Assessment of the mouth, yun yung tanong ha. May be done how often? Mag-alis tayo. 1 hour is super OA. Mag-alis pa tayo. 4 hours, hindi rin. So anong sagot mo? 2 or 8 hours? Oropharyngeal airway, guys. Assessment of the mouth. Ha? Ayan. Every how many hours daw? Sagot? 8 hours. Why? Sabi ni Kujier. Visit. Totoo nga guys, wala tayong magagawa. Yun yung sabi ni Kujier eh. Di ba kaya sabi ko sa'yo, dapat aralin mo yung funda. Kasi kung ano yung sinabi niya, yun na. Parang yung CHA na, kairita. Walang ratio yan. Kung ano sinabi ni bro, yun na. Diba? So number 18, the answer is 8 hours. That's the recommended for your mouth assessment. No? Ayan. But of course, guys, no, assess for vital signs at least every 4 hours pa rin. Pero ito kasi mouth assessment yung tinatanong. Kaya yung sagot dyan, 8 hours. Number 19, common patients are placed into a common position pala for suctioning. Ano daw? O imagine mo, high Fowler's, medyo tama, with head flex. Paano sisiksik yung tubo? Di ba? Wrong. Modified Trendelenburg, guys, is ano, para kanino? Best position for shot. Paano ulit yung modified Timber, guys? Flat on back with the foot elevated. Ting head of bend. Whatever. Di ba? Paano ng drawing ko? Ayan. So what's your answer, guys? Number 19. A or C? Best position for suctioning is semi-Fowler's. Ayan. Number 20. After each suctioning, guys, for copious secretions, alin daw sasabihin? Conscious yung patient mo, anong gagawin mo? Mag-alis tayo. Assume tripod position is wrong. So tripod position, that's for your Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Mali. Avoid unnecessary talking. Siguro during the procedure, yes. Pero after yung sinasabi dyan, if each suctioning, pwede naman na siya mag-talk, pero may important siyang dapat gawin. Guys, no, tandaan mo, if patient is unconscious, dapat siya i-hyper oxygenate. Pag unconscious, di ba? Kaya naka 100% yung kanilang oxygen, or if that's MEC-VENT yung FiO2 setting niya, 100% dapat. Pero ito ay conscious. So anong gagawin niya? Eh di hingang malalim. Tama. So guys, the best answer number 20 is letter A. Sir, is there a chance na maging tama yung hyperventilate? Never. Tandaan nyo guys, mali ang hyperventilate. Lalo if there's secretions, wrong yung word na hyperventilate. Kasi sabi sa libro guys, pag maraming secretion si client at hyperventilate mo, let's say ambo bag, diba, it will push the secretions further down into the lower lobes. Kaya the better term for that or the correct term for that is hyperoxygenate. Maliwanag ba? Kasi itatas mo yung oxygen setting but never hyperventilate. Clear ba yun? So huwag kayong nalilito dyan. But since conscious ulit, ang sagot dyan, deep breathing. Number 20, letter A. Yan, awesome. So guys, 20 na tayo. Ilan na nakuha mo? 20 na, ilan na nakuha mo? Tuloy natin. Ayan.
Good morning po. I'm Rose Cortez, 2022 nursing graduate. Bali, pang 4th ko na po itong exam na to. First take ko po is review center, and then the rest is self-review, and then pang 4th take, ito po, nag-enroll po ako sa KSRS. God's will na rin po, and God's perfect time, hindi na rin po sa akin hangad ko magkaroon ng lisensya. The biggest struggle po is yung hindi po ako nakapagtrabaho kasi yun nga po, kailangan ko pong mag-focus sa exam na to kasi nga pang 4th ko na po. And then may 4 po din akong anak na inaasikaso. Syempre po bilang nanay, priority natin asikasin yung mga anak. Pero sa akin po is natutunan ko naman po ng pansin yung pag-review ko habang nag-aasikaso sa kanila, habang nasa school sila. Yun po yung time ko na makapag-review. Ang dami ko pong natutunan, simula MP1 hanggang MP5, grabe. Super talagang as in parang pagkain siyang hinimay-himay. Naiintindihan mo talaga lahat ng tubo niya. Sobrang 100% highly recommended. Hindi nila kami pinabayaan simula umpisa hanggang sa magbo-board exam na. Talagang ginagad kami ni Sir Alex. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kasi ito yung review center na hindi ka maboboring. Kasi talagang nagre-review ka, nag-enjoy ka pa. Kasi hanggang sa huli, maririnig mo yung boses ni Sir.